welcome back. Today we're starting an adventure in creating an engine from scratch for this forgotten 1969 Volkswagen Bug. So we're going to get it pulled out, cleaned up, and put in the garage so we can start this adventure. Now that we have the Bug cleaned off and we can start working on it, we've pushed it back out of the way and are going to start just kind of going through what we've got inside of it. I did say we were going to be doing this inside the shop, but some things happened and there's another project in there taking up our space, so we're going to just go ahead and move forward out here. So we've got engine parts, like I said, everywhere for this thing. And so we're gonna start under the hood. Got a few random things in here, like some knickknacks and some paddywhacks. All of this is very important. This is what helps cool the engine. This is all the shrouding. Since these are air cooled, there has to be material inside or surrounding the engine to direct the airflow through the fence, and we'll talk about that later. So, looks like all of the parts of the doghouse are here with some extra little pieces. This right here, I don't think we'll use this. We might. This is an adapter for the oil, so you can use a canister oil filter, but we'll just leave it stock. Looks like we got a fan alternator. That's good. Some of the heating vents for inside. That's good. Looks like we've got some valve covers and head bolt washers. That's good. Let's look at what we got inside, because still not seeing what we want. Ooh. All right. Looks like we got some vinyl, which would go good with the carpet kit. Jugs, that's a good sign. These jugs, they got a little bit of flash rust on them, but I think we'll be able to get it out with a rehoning tool. Ooh, this one looks to be the worst. No, this one right here. Right back. This one has got to be the worst. I don't know if you guys can see the pitting starting there. That's concerning. Ooh, yeah, we'll need to find a different jug. So it looks like we got 3 usable jugs. Just got to find another one that's the right size or same size as these ones. It's all right. It's not great. I'm not too pleased with it. Ooh, this one here has scoring. If you look right there, I don't know if you guys can see that. Obviously, the engine that these jugs are part of blew up. We got an oil cooler. That's good. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Doesn't look like it does, but maybe. It's a little greasy, but we might be alright on that. And we got a carburetor. It's a Solex, but it's made in Mexico, so it's either aftermarket or newer. Well, both, I guess. And a coil. Wonder if this thing still works. We'll give it a shot when we get the engine together. Oh, hey, there's some more of the doghouse. So we got doghouse parts everywhere. And what we got in the back? All right, looks like we got some stuff for the buggy in here. I wonder if there is. So this looks to me like it's a throwout bearing. It's a throwout bearing, but it's real gooey. It's a little grindy too. We'll throw that in some diesel and see if we can't get it to clean up. We never know. We might need one. What else do we got in here that we can use? We've got a transmission engine mount. Well, transmission mount, more like. I don't think anything in here is going to be any use to us. Ooh, except for maybe that. Well, maybe we'll set that out. I like that. What do we got in this box? It's like a headlight. This went to the buggy. That was the first light on the buggy. I think those silver ones look a lot nicer. Anybody need a butane torch? Another motorcycle headlight. Some carburetor parts, but for a motorcycle, and some brakes. There's another little spot we can look in. Oh, look at that. We got ourselves an entire exhaust system, some more jugs and pistons. I don't know about these though. They're kind of, these actually look pretty good. Pistons got stuck in there. It's probably because it's really cold out. So we won't mess with those until we get them inside and cleaned up. They are a little nasty looking though. I don't know if we'll be able to use, these might be, I don't think we can use those. Looks like we've only got 3 of them. We have an engine block. That's a good sign. Oh, you know what? This engine is from the other buggy that I picked up. If I remember correctly, we aren't going to be able to use any of these jugs anyways. I think these are too small. They're like a 1200. And we got heads, but I'm pretty sure that we can't use these heads either. I don't even think we can use the valves. We might be able to. Like I said, we're just kind of piecing this together. We can use this fuel pump. I like that fuel pump. It's one of those ones you can rebuild to go scour through more, see what else we can find. Now, taking a trip on out to our mini junkyard of old Volkswagens and Jeeps. This is the buggy that other engine came from, and I come out here just to see if there's any engine parts that we could use out of this. There is another fuel tank, so if that fuel tank in that bug leaks, there's a brand new one sitting right in here. The buggy's sitting over here, and I already know that there's no parts for this bug in there, so we'll have to get creative. I'll have to start remembering where I put everything, because I know I've got another whole engine somewhere. So now we've taken a trip into the other storage bug, or the Baja Bug. There might be parts in here, but I'm pretty sure all the parts that I've thrown in here is mainly for my Baja Bug idea. I'll save that for another video. So we got more carpet kit. That's a good thing. We'll be able to mostly replace everything that we've got in that bug. It looks like, I know you guys can't see, but most of what's in here is Baja Bug idea. Well, we got nothing in here either. But there's one more place we can look.